Okay, class, I'll give you a tutorial on how to answer your homework. Okay, so I'll answer part of number 1. Okay, so in the number 1, if you look at the question there, we have the parent genotype, which is this one and this one. Okay, and the question is, what is the chance of getting the 3 kinds of offspring? One offspring is capital R, lowercase r, capital Y, and lowercase y. And there are other 2 offspring that you have to answer. You have to solve. You have to write the Punnett square on your filler paper. And if you do the Punnett square, you can easily answer the probability. This is the easiest way to do it. Okay? So what we'll do, instead of making a 16 square Punnett square, which will take time, you can do that too if you like. If you're more familiar with that, or if you're more comfortable with that, you can do that. But it is easy if we just separate the 2 traits and do a Punnett square separately. Okay, so let's do first the first trait, which is the R, the round and the wrinkled. So we first do this one here. So for the parent, let's say another one. So this one and this, okay? So we'll write the allele on this first Punnett square. So R, parent 1. Sorry, my handwriting is because I'm using an iPad, okay? Okay, so that's how, okay? Small r. And then, of course, you will cross, okay? Capital R, R. My handwriting. Okay, I don't have a stylus. Okay, and then that one, and then R, and this, okay? So now, after doing that, you have to check, look at the offspring here. It's capital R and small r. So look at capital R and small r. If you look at capital R and small r, you will see that there are 2, this one. So what is the probability of capital R and small r? It is 1/2, right? 1/2. So let's do again the other one. Capital Y. Let's have blue one. Okay. Capital Y and small y. Capital Y and small y. Okay, let's cross. Sorry. Wait, let's do that again. Capital Y, Y, then small y, and then capital Y, and small y, and capital and Y, right? Okay, so if you look at this cross, you will find what is the one that we're looking for, the capital Y and small y. So the capital Y and small y is how many? 1, this one, and this one. So it is also 1/2, okay? So 1/2 times 1/2 equals what? 1/4. So the probability of having this offspring is 1/4. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Now I've done the first offspring for you, which is R, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Now it's your turn to do using the same Punnett square. You do your Punnett square. Now it's your turn to do the other offspring, which is R, Y, Y, and R, Y, Y, okay? So there are still 2 offspring that you need to know the probability. Okay, and then next you do number 2 and you do number 3.